You know by now that a judge in Florida has dismissed Trump's classified documents case. Trump surrogate Mike Davis joins me now. This is a win for you against Biden's lawfare, I got it. But Jack Smith's planning an appeal. Is there any way this case comes back and goes to trial before the election?
It's very doubtful that this case will get resolved before the election. It would go to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. And then depending on how that court rules, it could go to the Supreme Court of the United States. I would say that Judge Cannon's ruling was correct. If they want to appoint a special counsel, Congress can pass a statute creating a special counsel office. Congress did not do that. Congress actually let the old office of the independent counsel office lapse. And so the Justice Department tried to do an end run.
Is, in your view, is this lawfare tactic by the Biden administration, has it failed completely?
It has backfired and backfired spectacularly on President Biden, the Attorney General, Merrick Garland, Jack Smith, and these Biden Democrat prosecutors around the country. The American people, not Biden Democrats, get to pick our next president.
What about the New York criminal case? I know that's been delayed.
Yeah.
It could be sentenced. Will that ever be thrown out completely?
Judge Merchan must declare a mistrial in that case because he admitted evidence that was subject to presidential immunity, and the Supreme Court just made it very clear he's not allowed to do that. I presume that's why he delayed the sentencing in that case, and if he does not rule that way, I think President Trump is going to be able to get that before the Supreme Court and get a favorable ruling very quickly.
I just want to put the Rob Reiner quote back up on the screen, will you please? Because right after the judge threw out the documents case, the left came in saying all kinds of things about the judgment. Rob Reiner says, we're seeing the beginning of the end of the rule of law in America. That's going a little far, isn't it, Mike?
He's a clown. What Judge Cannon did was followed the Constitution, the Appointments Clause and the Appropriations Clause. And if President Biden wants to continue this lawfare, he has to follow the Constitution to do it.
Got it. Mr. Davis. Thanks. Mike Davis. I just look for your name here. Mike Davis, thanks very much for joining us this morning. We do appreciate it. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.